In today's video, I will walk you through how to link Gmail to Telegram. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along, and let's get started. First, open up Telegram. Head to the global search bar at the top left and type @GmailBot. Look for the verified account with the checkmark. Click on it to open the chat window and hit the Start button at the bottom, or type /start. The bot will instantly greet you and reply with a secure authorization link to connect your Google account via OAuth. Click the authorization link provided by the bot. Your default web browser will open to a standard Google sign-in page. Select your Gmail account and review the requested permissions. The bot needs access to read, compose, and manage your emails so it can relay them to your chat. Click Allow. Once authenticated, close the browser tab and hop back into Telegram. You're connected. To fine-tune your alerts, type /settings into the chat. From here, you can choose whether you want notifications for every single incoming email or if you want to filter them using specific Gmail labels. That's it. New emails will now pop up as native chat notifications on your desktop, and you can even type out quick replies straight from the message thread. If this quick guide saved you time, hit that like button. Subscribe for more workflow optimization tips, and let me know in the comments if you prefer native bots or external automation tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.